Hey everyone, let's see how can we deploy our Next.js project with shared hosting on Hostinger. Sometimes on cpanel we cannot deploy the Next.js project on Hostinger. So at this time we can easily host our Next.js project on Hostinger with shared hosting. Let's see what is the process. There are few complicated process, but I will not go on the complicated one. I'm just going with the easiest one. So you can see we can use some. We can also use PM2 process. I don't go with that because we are going to shared hosting to host the applications. Okay, let's the see the process. First of all, what is hpanel? It is when you got the hostings are shared hosting, they will provide a hpanel, and on the hpanel we will set up next node.js. Then we will create next.js project, and then we will add domain and it will go live. Okay, and let's this is the features of hpanel and cpanel difference. So build in node.js support on there, and speed is also faster and price is cheaper. Okay, instead of using cpanel. So this is the overview. We can read all of the thing. I will directly go on there. So first of all you have to log in with hpanel, open hosting dashboard, find node.js, and you will see the all process. So first of all we create the next.js project, then we will deploy on the bps. Sorry, bps, no, it's shared hosting we are talking about. So bps you can easily use that. So let's create the next.js project. Here is the next.js project, npx create next app latest, and you will provide the name of the. So I am going terminal. Okay, and want to go to city. Okay, let's create on here. So first of all we have to create next.js project, npx create next app after latest, and this is the demo cloud project. I'm creating the project. We can go with recommended options. Let's wait for a few seconds to generate the project. I am not going to card the project or any timestamp so that you can see directly what is happening on here. Okay, project is created, and let's go to the project demo cloud and npm run dev. Let's see is this working or not. This is the link, and open a browser and go to here. You can see the next.js project is running, right? So we will upload this on Hostinger, right? So first of all, let's go to the GitHub account so that we can push it on the GitHub. I'm giving the details. Save. And let's create new repo. Name is demo cloud. I'm keeping it private, and let's copy and go to the terminal. Okay, I think everything is good, and just reload the. Okay, it's taking time to reload. It will reload, no problem. Let's go to the hosting jar. On hosting jar, let's create add. Maybe it's done. Yeah, you can see all Next.js project is already here. So let's uh, add this website on the hosting jar. So first of all, if you don't have an hosting jar account, then you can create the account from the hosting jar, and bought a domain and hosting for that. The best way is I will provide a link on description, or you can just scan this QR code to get extra 20% off. So let's go to the link so that you will see what is happening on there. Okay, if I just going to go dot, you can also, I will share the link on the description. If I go to this link, you will see there are 20% off applied on the checkout. Okay, let's claim the deal. You can take any of the deal, choose plan 1 or plan 2 or plan 3, which is premium, business, or cloud. So most popular option we can choose on there. Okay, I have already account, so I cannot get a referral. So let's go with another account so that you will see messenger, or go to you can see there extra 20% off. Let's claim the deal. You will see the lots of here. You can see referral discount is 20%. I am referring you, I am providing the referral link. You can just go with the link and get extra 20% off. So if you don't go that on the link, you will not get 20% off. Sometimes you will search on internet for the coupon. So if I click on the coupon option, you can see side by side comparison on the same. This is maybe the price 1915, and this is the price 153. So if you put on the coupon code on here, then you will get extra 10%, but if you go with the link, you will get the extra 20% off. So just go to the continue and create an account and just grab the deal. Okay, then come to the hosting jar panel and you will see this type of panel on here. I have some account on here, so you can see the accounts, but you don't have any websites, so there are no websites on there. So I'm just adding the Next.js project on here. So when I click on add a website, you will see there are options. So when you go to the our hotel link, then you will also get a extra uh, free domain, which is .com domain for 1 year free, so you don't need to buy extra. You can see there are more options. I'm just clicking on Node.js, and maybe my Node.js limit is